Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clean data from Google Forms. When collecting responses via Google Forms, the data can sometimes be messy or inconsistent, with duplicate entries, incorrect formats, or missing values. Cleaning data is crucial for accurate analysis and reporting, especially when exporting responses to Google Sheets, Excel, or Power BI. And here's how to clean and organize data collected from Google Forms efficiently. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to export Google Forms responses to Google Sheets. And to do that, open your Google form and go to the Responses tab. Now we're going to go to forms.google.com and make sure you log in using your account credentials. From here, choose an already existing form or the form you want. And here, go to the Responses sheet and click on the link to Sheets. As you can see, I already linked this form to Sheets. Just click on the green icon to link this to Sheets. Now the second step is to remove duplicate entries. Now in Google Sheets, select your data range and click Data here and go and click on Data Cleanup. Let's look for Data Cleanup here. And then select Remove Duplicates and Confirm. And click on Remove Duplicates, like that. Now here, the third step is to standardize data formats. Use text functions to format data properly, to capitalize name correctly, and use trim A2 to remove extra spaces. As for the fourth step, identify and fix missing data. And to do that, just click on Data and then click on Data Cleanup. And after that, click on, see here, let's go here, click on Trim White Space here and remove extra spaces. And use conditional formatting to highlight blank cells. As for the fifth step, you can use filters for sorting and organizing. By clicking on any column, then go to Data and create a filter to sort and analyze responses. And for the sixth step, validate data entries automatically. Use data validation in Google Sheets to allow only certain inputs, for example numbers or emails, and click on a column, and then once you click on a column, go to Data section and click on Data Validation and set criteria. Now as for the seventh step, convert data for analysis. Use pivot tables for easy reporting and use formulas like COUNTIF or SUMIF to filter responses. Now cleaning data from Google Sheets forms is essential for accurate reporting and analysis. By removing duplicates, fixing formats, and using filters, you can keep your data clean and ready for further processing in tools like Excel, Power BI, or SQL database. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.